Hey guys, I'm your host ATA aka Anand. Today I'll be making United Kingdom Championship miniature. So without wasting much time, let's begin already. So first of all, we need a piece of black texture for making the strap. We need a little bit of this, so cut it down with scissor. The measures that I use for this is 12cm length and 6cm breadth. After finishing drawing lines, it will be looking like a rectangle matchbox or like this. Draw a few more lines, that depends on how big you want title, and then match the lines with a pencil until you get an outline for the UK Championship. After finishing the outline, take a black CD marker and take off its lid like this, like this. Draw it darker only on the outline. Darker how? Darker this. After making it darker, cover the area with a white paper tap. Remember the outline? Yeah, cut that using the ink mark left on the paper tab. Draw these templates on top of the paper tab and cut them throughout. Then take and stick some gold stickers on top of the paper tab. Cut all the gold stickers seeing the PT aka paper tab and stick properly on the strap. Now we got the shape, it's time to free the title from its origin. Carve these designs on top of the gold stickers templates with a cutter or anything like that. After creating designs, highlight certain areas with black CD marker. Remember guys, patience is the key to enlightenment, so achieve that by taking time and putting a little effort onto any of your work so that you can succeed in your life by yourself. Then use a red CD marker too for highlighting the centerpiece showing the NXT logo, as you might see sideways to this video. Now it's time to fill the side elements of this masterpiece. Same methods but different places. After finishing the side plates, take a silver sticker and narrowly cut the edges and stick to the side scenes of this championship. Man, my camera's focus is as bad as my brother's focus. After sticking the silver sticker, or can we say the future diamonds, take a piece of gold sticker and stick onto the gap like this. Now it's time to give the details, mainly with the cutter and black CD marker aka CDM. Now take a small piece of gold sticker, place it directly onto the strap, make few circles with cutter and color the rest area black with CDM. Now for the end piece time, stick a transparent sellotape appropriate to the title's shape and size. You can either cut and stick like this or you can cut directly, but I'll prefer this way. Now we'll settle the wall tiles back with a paper tap and color the wall part with a black permanent marker. Keep it close to the air for 5 to 10 minutes and then we finally cut the rest of the paper tap. And don't forget to give some touch in the edges with BPM. Also, take a small piece of double-sided sticker, place it behind the right side of the title, and voila! The United Kingdom Championship miniature is ready and it looks pretty realistic as well. If you learned something new while I was making this custom title for you, then don't forget to leave a like. Also comment out your true feelings for this video. Thank you for spending your valuable time for my channel. Peace.